Now let's see the after logging, we will see the logout operation. So when successfully logged in, then we will set the session. So that is request.get. http session, then we will set the attribute here, session dot set attribute user id, or you can consider the user full name also. Let's take this. In the home page, we will display the string user id equals to session dot get attribute. We can typecast to string, and then we can display the above user id here. Let's check. Yeah, we can see that bin. Now we'll provide a logout button. Logout. Where it has to go? It has to go to index.jsp. If we click logout, then it has to go to index.jsp. Still session exists. If we click here, it will go to index.jsp. Click back, it is coming here with the admin session. So what we have to do, we need to invalidate this session, so that we can do in JSP. Also we can use the I can use help of servlet. Let me create a logout servlet. We'll modify the URL to just logout. Finish. Let me stop this server. We'll make use of the annotation called Webservlet. So instead of writing the, if you keep on creating the servlets, your web.xml will increase the size. Again, we have to create one more XML and import to the web.xml. See, now the classes are growing like anything. So just remove these things. Then we can use the Webservlet annotation. Others also we can do the same thing. Webservlets. For login, what URL we have taken, and for logout, what URL we have taken. For registration, what URL we have taken. Those things we can mention. At Webservlet. Let's go to logout servlet. In the logout, again the same generated servlet. Both requests are coming to this. So let's take our http servlet request dot get session. Session dot remove attribute. We have added the attribute called user ID. Session dot invalidate. Then we can redirect to the index.jsp. We can remove these. There is no modification with these classes. Okay. So we had used the annotations in the servlets, that is the web servlet annotation, and logout we did here. Let's check this functionality. Let's log in with our basic username passwords. Now it is saying welcome. When we redirect, it is here. When you refresh, when you click on the logout, it will go to logout. Then when you refresh this page, oh, we have to update here our URL to logout. When you click on the logout, it will redirect to logout URL. Then if you refresh here, there it will be null. Then you can make a check here. You can use the check here. If user ID is null, response dot. When you take back here, when you refresh, then it will logout will fault.